Good morning, everybody. You know what? I've got an idea. I'm going to get glasses on today because it's crazy. Oh, great. The doors are locked. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday. There's a sailing regatta, which is basically like a sailboat kind of race stuff at my lake today. And yesterday I didn't make a vlog because I was at Evans, which was 10 out of 10. It was great. We had a fun time. Also, go check out Evan's channel below, link description, and go check out Meme Central, which is our collaboration channel. He's finally kicked off after about 8 months. I came over here because it's like less sunny, I suppose. My hair is kind of screwed up this morning. But that's fine. So today I'm gonna go watch the sailing regatta, probably check it out. The Cleveland Browns game is here, and I showed you this truck because it's orange. It's meant for the Cleveland Browns games. The Cleveland Browns are playing today, so yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna clean my camera too, cause like the lens is all dirty, the screen is all dirty. Yeah, so I'll clean that up, and we'll be on our way. Okay, so crap. I got the awesome vehicle here today. It's pretty lit. We're gonna go down and check out the sailboats. Okay guys, so that was my sailboat montage for the morning. I thought it was pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So now I'm just coming back. Ooh, that looks fun. I would love to drive one of those right now. It's a golf cart. Anyway, I'm enjoying myself right now. I'm gonna go inside, just kind of chill, and I'll figure out something to do. Now, you're probably thinking, what was the last video I made? Well, I made that behind the scenes of the video when I was over with my friend. I made that behind the scenes, but there is a new channel I need to talk about, so I thought I'd just make that the rest of the video real quick, talking about the new channel that me and Evan are collaborating on. Let me get to it real quick here on YouTube. A manly fight. Okay, so that did go up. So a manly fight, it went up 2 hours ago. That was from last night. So if you guys want to go and watch that, I suppose. I don't know what actually happened with that video. I don't know what happened. It was like 1 minute and 18 seconds. But anyway, there is a new channel I need to talk about. It's called Meme Central. It's got 6 subscribers already. It's actually a pretty good channel. We already have 2 videos, 6 subscribers. That's our channel icon. Any day now, focus. There's the channel icon. Basically, guys, you guys should go check that out. I already said the link is in the description. This is a good video. It actually took us longer than 50 seconds to make, but still, good video. Also, welcome to the channel. I guess that's okay. 11 people, though. That's okay. Alright. So, anyway, as I was saying, that's the new channel. And the last video I made, which was that cooking video. Why is it zoomed in so far? Oh, well, that's too far. Okay. That cooking channel I actually made, or that cooking video I made, that's an actual good video. That is some good content right there. I made a behind the scenes video, which I streamed. But Cooking with Anthony episode 1 is awesome. Yeah, it's a pretty good video. I also make a couple Fortnite videos. And speaking of gaming, I know there's not a lot of gaming on this channel, but I have to get some views, so I gotta put some gaming on here. I know this game isn't very popular, but we gotta get away from Fortnite. I'm trying to get away from Fortnite as much as I can because I can't handle it anymore. It's too much. So I'm trying to get into something different. So I actually been working on something. Here, let me open up Steam real quick. Yes, I use Steam. Good place to go for games. Good games. Even though Fortnite's been kind of taking over this world, we need something different. Not Fortnite. So, I'm sorry. This computer can run some light games like Garry's Mod. Now, Garry's Mod is a pretty good game, and that's the game I'm kind of going to focus on for gaming here in the next month or two. Also, it's September, and we're going into October, and last year I actually said, was it this year? I think it was last year. But anyway, I said photography will be gone till October 1st. So, photography will be returning. You saw there was a little bit of photography in this video. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the game I'm going to be focusing on. If you guys have never heard of Garry's Mod, it's kind of going to replace the Fortnite world for me. It's called Garry's Mod. Basically, this is just a fun game that you can just spend time on, play with friends. I'll have to show you it, because it's kind of hard to explain without showing it to you. It's a good game. If you guys want to play with me, you can. But, yeah, that's what's gonna replace Fortnite. I cannot record any more Fortnite. I barely play Fortnite anymore. I played it for like 2 minutes this morning. I'm done with it. It's just slowly dying, and then people are like, no, Fortnite will never die. It has to die. It has to. Fortnite's a meme now, basically, for me. I like Fortnite, but I can't do any more of it. It's too much. Okay, enough with the Fortnite gaming talk. Okay, guys, so anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up here. So I am going to play Garry's Mod today because it's actually a good game, unlike most. So I will be playing some Garry's Mod today. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot that you guys took your time to watch up to this point. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.